good evening. Today is a Sunday, and as you can see, we're in a blizzard. It was supposed to start at 1 p.m. It started around 3 o'clock p.m. And it's been our, we were supposed to probably get 3 to 6 inches of snow. This is the snowstorm that we're supposed to get through Monday, mixed with ice. Right now it's normal snow. So, yep, we prepped yesterday with the tarp over the wood shack on both sides to keep the wood dry a little bit more, and the wind's blowing. So this is the storm front. Yep, I'm standing in the house, not to be out in this. What do you think, Sparky? What do you think? You want to go out there, play in the snow? We'll go. Go play out. Go in your kennel and play. Go play in your kennel. You like the snow, don't you? Not without my winter jacket, Mom. Without my winter jacket. Right now, I am filling the tub with water in case we have a power outage. So, this is be one. Whenever that is filled up, about to right here, I'm going to shut it off, and I will fill up this sink right here only with water. My hubby, he's already at work, and he told me to pack an overnight bag to stay at the hospital because since he is security. So, yep. I made sure he got his hygiene products, his PJs, whatnot. Sorry, Sparky is doing number 2 in the utility room. I am not going to be showing that, so. Today, or not, actually yesterday, my hubby showed me out on how to operate the generator. So I have a video on here to know how to operate it. If I can't figure it out, I just have to call my mom or my stepdad. So I need to watch where I'm walking. Yep. The tub is getting there. Yep, the tub's getting there. Probably, at least right here, it's going to get filled. Or maybe just to that line of the thing so it doesn't drain as much. So, yep. And I will keep you updated on the snowstorm that we're getting here in Pennsylvania. So, I'll talk with you later. Holy mackerel! Look how deep and heavy that snow is. And look at Wind's really blowing, so and Sparky is out in his kennel. It's okay. It's about at least 3 inches so far. Just making sure. I should have bought another one of the tarps to keep the wood dry. It's ridiculous. We're in a blizzard, people. Well, it is 9:27 p.m. at night on January. And it's sleeting, aka ice, on top of the snow. That's what you hear is the ice pinging off the metal and the tarp, the metal roof of the shack, the wood shack right here. Yep. Sparky is scared to go outside because it's too noisy. And I told you I was going to update you, and I'm glad the tarps on each side hasn't blown away yet with all this wind. So we'll see what tomorrow brings in the morning. Yep. I do have to take him outside every few minutes so he can go potty outside. Yeah. Yep. He's a little skittish right now because all the noise outside, and he is very confused what's going on. You know, this would be his first big storm. So he heard rain before, you know, nothing like ping, 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 ping. So this will be his first snowstorm. Yep. Hopefully this snow doesn't come up anymore. It's going to be a bitch. Beep. To get the snow rakes out, which is here in the kennel, and shovel the walkway and put some salt blocks down tomorrow morning if hopefully this stuff stops and the winds die down. So hold on. Oh, the door was fully closed, so yep, I'll keep you updated as much as I can. So, and I'll talk to you later. Here's Sparky. Sparky, Sparky, Sparky.